Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In this tutorial we will be creating an awesome motion graphic tease from scratch. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. First open CapCut and bring in all your assets. I have shared all the assets on my WhatsApp channel. You can find the link in the description. Make sure to check it out. Now let's start by adding a background to the timeline. Drag the brain PNG into the timeline. To create a duplicate, hold Alt and drag the clip upward. This will make an exact copy. Now we need to split the brain into two parts for animation. Here's how. Select the brain layer, go to mask, add mask and choose the split mask option. Now select the second brain layer, apply the same split mask but this time inverted by clicking this button right here. This will divide the brain into two parts, allowing us to animate them separately. Select the upper brain layer and add a position keyframe at the start. Move a few frames forward to where you want the animation to stop and move the brain PNG upward. CapCut will automatically add a keyframe. To smoothen the animation, right click on the keyframe, go to preset curves and select cubic out animation. You will immediately notice the difference. Let's add some depth to the lower part of the brain to make the animation more realistic. Add a new text layer. Then open the symbols panel by pressing Windows plus dot on the keyboard. Select the circle symbol. And adjust its height by turning off the uniform scale option to make it look flat. Change its color to light blue. Position it on the lower PNG like this. Once placed correctly, bring in the text layer under the PNG to make it appear behind the brain. And there you have it, a realistic base of your animation. Now convert the text layer into compound clip to keep everything organized. Now let's import the elements we want to animate. To animate them individually, we need to separate them into three layers. Here's how. Duplicate the layers 3 times so each element can be animated separately. Apply a mask to each one, either circle or rectangle depending on the shape. Place each element inside its mask to isolate it. Reduce the scale of the elements and carefully place them on the brain PNG. Now select all the elements and move them under the brain layer to keep the composition clean. Let's bring the motion to life. Add transform keyframe at the start of animation. Move a few frames forward and adjust the rotation and position of each element to create a dynamic effect. Repeat this process for all the other elements as well. To smoothen the animation, apply preset curves for a natural motion. To enhance realism, we will add a opacity animation to make the elements appear gradually. Select all the three elements and group them into a compound clip. Now go to blend mode and add opacity keyframe at the start of compound clip. Set the opacity to 0. Move to the moment where the brain opens and increase the opacity to 40-50%. Move a few frames further and finally set the opacity to 100. Apply a preset curve to smooth out the transition. Try out different theme background to see how they affect the final look. Once you are happy with the animation, it's time to finalize everything and get ready for the export. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more amazing content. Also follow me on Instagram for behind the scene updates, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.